Let's dispel this myth once and for all, the myth that people think that private hospitals are better than public hospitals. Simply not true. Do you know what happens when you have a complication with your operation at a private hospital? Do you know what happens when you have a complication with your labor problems at a private hospital? Do you know what happens when they don't know what's wrong with you at a private hospital? They send you to Bara. They send you to Baragwanath. Everybody knows that. So how can you say they're the best while when they have a problem that they can't solve, they all send you to Bara?
The minister is so, he has so decided to promote public health care that is prepared to risk his own eyesight. That's what was written. I'm risking my own eyesight by going to public health care. And yet the lady who did the operation on me is the one who's teaching people who are now in private health care.
Bara has some of the best doctors in the world. In Africa, they are simply the best. Who do you think the private doctors are getting training from? They're getting training from the same doctors in Baragwanath. Most private doctors get their training in Bara. So, like, how can we think that private clinics, private doctors, private institution, private hospitals are better than Baragwanath, a public hospital where you can go to labor almost for free, when you can get surgery almost for free, but people are underestimating Bara. Come on, guys.
Because there is an ophthalmologist lecturer at VET. All the people who they are saying are good went through her hands. And when she operates me because it's in public health care, I'm risking my eyesight. That's the danger. You can imagine. The person who wrote that was not silly. It's what they believe. It's what they believe, regardless of the fact that there are many good things that are happening there.